I've never worn contact lenses in my life. This is my second favorite color, for sure. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's spooky season. It is time to elevate your costume game. We're talking costumes, we're talking cosplay, and all the creepy makeup looks that you're probably seeing in all your shorts and YouTube videos or TikTok or Instagram. Well, if you want to achieve that kind of look, the best way to elevate that look is through what? Colored contacts. In today's video, I'm actually going to be reviewing colored contacts sent to me by Just4Kira. So thank you Just4Kira for sponsoring today's video. I will be trying 4 different colored contacts. I will be trying one that is gray, one that is blue, one that is green, and one that is a light brown, so that you can have an idea on how these different colors look on my skin tone. And if you like any of the contacts that I show in today's video, or if you go on their website and you like any of their contacts at all, you can actually use my code njeri20 so that you can get 20% off on your contact lenses. So if you have a similar skin tone to me, and hey, maybe you're just curious to see how they look on me, on my eye shape against my skin tone, there might be many reasons you want to see me try on these different colored contacts. So let's get into this video and see how these contact lenses look on my skin tone. For me personally, I don't wear prescription glasses on the daily, so when I chose my contact lenses, I chose Zero Power, I believe it's called. I don't have any prescription in either of my lenses. However, if you need your lenses to be prescribed, you can go on their website and pick the power that you need for your lenses. So it can be tailored just for you, just for your eyes. Let's get into it and try out these contacts. This is actually my first time wearing contacts of any kind, so I really did my research and was trying to ensure that I'm following the steps properly. Now, thankfully, Just4Kira, they do send you all, well, most of the necessary tools you need for applying your contacts. I will say the one thing that I did not get in the box is the contact lens solution, so that is something that you will need to get separately. But other than that, you get your contact lenses. You will get a box per lens, so one box will contain one lens. You also get cases for your contact lens, and in this case you will get tweezers, a little tiny suction cup, and just 2 slots for you to put your individual lenses in. You will also get instructions in the box that tells you how to put in your contacts. There is a warning at the top that tells you to soak the contact lenses for 6 to 8 hours in multi-purpose lens solution before the first time use. So I already went ahead and soaked my contact lenses, all 4 of them, in the lens solution. It's been about 2 days now since I soaked them. As you can see in these clips, I am taking the lenses out of their packaging. It's already in some kind of solution, however the instructions do say to soak them in contact lens solution, so that is just what I did. I just went and I'm following the instructions. I'm not playing around with things that are going into my eye, so we are going to follow what they say. And now it is time to grab each of them and see how it works. This is in the shade Blue. What do you think? What do you think? I finally have been able to get it into my eyes. I think it's not too bad. It's cute. It's cute. You know, the vibe I was kind of going for. I'm not sure if this was executed properly, but I was trying to do like a Legend of Korra. It's giving Korra vibes, Legend of Korra, and there's so many other characters that you can do, that is dark skin, has blue eyes. I mean, Katara. It's not just Avatar. There's so many other ones. I had a list. I'll just like throw the different characters that I think can work with, you know, dark skin and blue eyes. And yeah, I think it's cute. What do you think? Okay, that's Blo Blue. This is Sith Grey. You know what I think I look like? And this is a comparison that other people wouldn't get, but I feel like I look like our new puppy. This is a photo of him here because he has like this blue grayish color eye after he was born, and that's what I think I look like. I mean, it's creepy. But hey, you know, it's spooky season. That's the whole point of this, you know, it's spooky season. I'm here for the vibe. I'm here for the spook, the spookiness of it all. First person I see is Storm. Yeah, I think it's just Storm. She's a baddie. She's a baddie. She knows she's a 10. I think those are the words. I'm showing my age, man. They have Ursula. Why Ursula? Maybe that's what I'll do. I've wanted to be Ursula for Halloween for the longest time. For the longest time. Yeah, it's a long time now I want to be Ursula for Halloween. No, nope. Ursula has gray eyes. Ursula has gray eyes. I'm kind of happy about that because I really wanted to be Ursula for a couple of years now, and I think this is my time to achieve my dreams and be Ursula for Halloween. So I think that's what maybe I'll do this year. Do you guys want to see an Ursula look? Let me know in the comments below what you think. But yeah, when it comes to characters with gray eyes, Ursula seems to be that girl right now. But if you're open to like anime characters who just have gray eyes, there's a bunch. Honestly, you just type in anime character with gray eyes. And just to give you an idea of how Sith Grey pairs with other colors, I'm trying on a blue jacket here and a pink jacket here. Yeah, I put on a black jacket and a dark brown lip just to give this brown look, you know, a chance to show off its beauty. Technically, you could have this eye color. I also find that this one is the more comfortable one for me so far. I definitely like this. This one is a favorite so far. I like that it's a very natural brown, but if you want a different vibe, ain't nothing wrong with that. Ain't nothing wrong with a different vibe. Most people have brown eyes. So because most people have brown eyes, it's like you can be anybody. You can be whoever you want to be, literally. So the brown eyes has a wide range of options. Honestly, just pick a character you like and just put on your brown contact lenses and then you are good. You're good. You're good after that. So what do you think? How do you feel about Neil Brown? Let me know in the comments below how you feel about Neil Brown. And let's get to the next color. So I tried to wear some green to like bring out the green that's in my eyes, and honestly, I think this is my second favorite color, and I love this color on me. This is in the color Moira Green. This is beautiful. Do you see my eyes? I don't know, for some reason I was kind of afraid the green was going to give snake vibes. Don't ask me why. It was giving Slytherin, but I like how it looks. Yeah, this is definitely my overall, okay, this is definitely my second favorite of the whole collection. However, this is my favorite color on me personally. I really love how this green is pulling on my skin tone. It's different, it's popping, but at the same time there's just something sexy about it. I don't know, I like it. I like it. The reason it's not the most favorite is because the issue I'm finding with Moira Green, Blo Blue, Sith Grey is that the iris component is so thick that when I see through these contacts, like, yeah, I can see, but especially when I look in the light, like when I look in the light, there's a slight tint, and I know the tint is from the color because in each of the cases for Blo Blue, Moira Green, and the Sith Grey, I find that I can see that particular color. So that's why I know, you know, it's for the iris, the color. I mean, I'm not saying you can't wear these, but when it comes to comfort and seeing through the actual lens itself, I had zero issues with Neil Brown. Not only is Neil Brown more comfortable to wear, for my skin tone, I think Neil Brown is the more practical one out of the four. I mean, come on, it's brown. I won't say it's the more fun one. However, it's still a lighter brown compared to my natural brown eyes, so it still gives a nice fresh look, if that's what you're looking for. Just a nice, different, fresh look. Because of those factors, Neil Brown is my number one, but my number two is the Moira Green. I like this. This is so pretty. I'll literally just wear this on the street. I will go out with this because I just really like how it looks, especially with like the eyeliner. You know that siren trend? I think with the eyeliner and stuff, I don't know, it's so nice, so pretty. I just love it. Like, I can't stop staring at myself in this camera. For number three, I need to think about that. It's Sith Grey, Blo Blue. Sith Grey, Blo Blue. Honestly, I think I just have to give number three to Blo Blue. Reason being, I don't know, man. Sith Grey scared me. Seeing myself in the gray contact, something about that was just creepy, man. Something about Sith Grey was just like, so Blo Blue, I have to give it, and I'm not going to lie, Blo Blue did grow on me even while I was wearing it. Like, something about it was just like, ooh, look at you, you know, cute with the blue eyes and all of that. So I do have to give third place to Blo Blue. And then last but not, I was gonna say last but not least, but not, it's last and least. Is Sith Grey. I still think it's a vibe, and honestly, funny enough, based on the things I want to do for Halloween, which is Ursula personally, I would more than likely just end up wearing Sith Grey anyways. But I forgot to do like my characters for this. So for green eyes, I have a list of characters. I have a whole list of characters you can choose from if you want that character with green eye look. So for green, I have Starfire, I have Buttercup, I have Shigo, I have Esmeralda. I mean, for my guys or girls, I have Danny Phantom, Going Ghost. So yeah, so Danny Phantom, Going Ghost, not regular Danny Phantom. And then lastly, I have Maleficent, because I'm not gonna lie, it's giving sexy evil Disney villain. So those are the different characters you can choose from for the green eye look, and I'm sure there's more out there, but those are the ones that I am gonna suggest for you. And remember, if you like any of these contacts, or maybe you don't necessarily like the ones that I have, but there's some on their website that you do like, my code njeri20 will actually give you 20% off on contact lenses. So don't forget to use that if you are interested in getting some colored contacts for yourself. There are a certain color that you liked on me. Is there a certain color that you did not like on me? Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are so far on the 4 lenses that I tried. Hold up. Don't go anywhere yet. We're trying to achieve a look. So along with the contacts, we gotta get our makeup done, you know? We have to get our makeup done. So here are some videos I have here to help you with the makeup. But everyone, please remember, you are beautifully you with your natural skin, your natural eye color. All of this is just for self-expression and for all of us to have a good and fun time. But we are all beautiful, even without it, okay? Take care of yourself, and remember, self-care is how we practice self-love. Mwah! Bye!